ya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni ashakaite uria urari murunawe wake Raila Odinga, former Prime Minister, akimugweta ari jaba umwe goko akirira a Kenya gutigirira ni akinyiria a Kenya umwena wa Kanan otauria maturite meri toria Raila Odinga turite augite no gukinyaniria iretana ota riri rigikyo ni Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta, former president, agi shakaya Raila Odinga kiuga ni oreto ni murata.
My brother, all the names were given about our brother when we listened to our daughter Winnie, all the names that our brother has been given over time. But to me, he was a brother. The pain of it all, the struggle for justice and truth, and the fight against corruption. Huyu ndugu alale. But you know, my brother, allow me to talk to Raila, my friends, for just 1 minute, and I'll hand over Professor Kindiki. Thank you for the opportunity. I want to talk to Raila, because I never get this time again. You know, we call you Joshua. We never got to Canaan. There were indeed crocodiles across the River Jordan, as we used to say. Lakini, I've seen in the printed program, you even paraphrase the late Martin Luther King. You've been to the mountaintop. You've seen the promised land. And you may never get there with us, but we have to get there on your behalf. I give you my pledge, those values you stood for, the tears, the pain of a stolen election, as my brother Jim Morengo said, elaborated. That pain will not be in vain. The nation is gathered together. And I must stop there. I've done the rest of my speech on X because I had to rush quickly back from Heathrow in order to come and be with Mama Aida and Watoto. But allow me to recognize, if they, by chance they don't get that opportunity, my sister, my twin sister, Mother Karua, was Raila's running in 2022.
Wabondo na Siaya kwa jumla, kusema asante. Mtoto wenu ambaye sasa amerudi nyumbani, back to the ancestors, mulitupea atumikie sio tu Bondo na Siaya, lakini Kenya na Afrika, na ametutendea na tunawashukuru. Asanteni sana. Ya tatu, rambi zangu na pole pia kwa wana ODM wote ambao wako hapa. Asanteni kwa kutupa kiongozi ambaye amesaidia kuunganisha hii nchi. Asanteni sana. Ni kuombea ndugu yetu atembee safari ya amani. Mungu amuongoze kwa safari hii yake ya mwisho. We shall miss you, Jacob. We shall miss you.